Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to add a link to your profile on Instagram. Stay tuned for the full step-by-step guide. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Next, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. This will allow you to make changes to your profile settings. Within the profile editing options, locate and tap on Add Link. This will enable you to add a link to your profile. After tapping on Add Link, you will see the option to add external link. Tap on it to proceed. Now it's time to enter the URL and title for the link you want to add. Type in the desired URL and provide a relevant title. Finally, once you've entered the URL and title, tap on the check icon to save the changes. Your link will now be added to your Instagram profile. And there you have it. You've successfully added a link to your profile on Instagram. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.